Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. It's been a while. I haven't been on YouTube for over a month. I've been really busy at work and I want to show you something that I did. I've been looking for, I have a set of 36 foot box cars, and I decided to make or 3D print passenger cars, a passenger set in that scale, that 36 foot, so it'll match with my box cars. And let me show you what I did. And here's one of my 36 foot wood-sided reefer cars, the ones with all the advertisements on them. These are 8.5 inches by 2 inches. I love these sets. I got like 12 of these, but I wanted a passenger set in this, you know, that'll match this. Some of them are too long, some of them are too tall. I wanted something custom built, and I looked around on the internet on all these 3D printing sites, and I found one, but they're 50 foot. They're the 50 foot set that you could download and print. So what I did is I downloaded the whole file and I scaled it down to this size. I took this one apart, measured everything, and I 3D printed. And the first one that I just completed is the kitchen car. I'm gonna have a kitchen car, a mail car, 2 or 3 passenger cars. It's gonna be a nice set. Let's keep moving on. Here's a picture of where I got the idea from. It's from my FEC book, and I wanted something this size. So after scaling down everything on Tinkercad, went ahead and printed it, used some putty to cover up the seams. And the next few pictures will be of the project. Here it is on the layout. I just wanted to get the exact measurements. I did the interior, the bottom. Everything is 3D printed. The whole thing is 3D printed other than the wheels and the truss. Here are the finished parts. This roof, I don't like the way it came out. I printed it like this, and I should have printed it like this. So the next one I'm going to print it so the smooth part, it won't get this texture. And that's the interior. And everything fits right in. I scaled it all down perfectly. So doing the side rails now, the side steps. And that looks really good. I want it to match my that set. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I want it green with brown. So what I do is spray paint it the brown, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the green. So what I did was I spray painted the brown, and then I painted it with this green. The way it came out, it looks really nice. I didn't put it on too heavy because I wanted the wood plankings or the sidings to come out. Printed out the ends. they're gonna fit perfect with my with this set here. So it's gonna go really good with this set. And detailed some of the interior, not everything, you know, I didn't go overboard in it. Just a couple here and there. And here's the completed project. I went ahead and put lights in it. And that Florida East Coast, I did it on Tinkercad. I added the lettering. Didn't like it too much how it came out. So maybe in the next one I'll just leave it out or get it done better. It's the first one, so hopefully the next ones will come out a little bit better. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. And like always, happy railroading. Bye.